So today in this video, we're gonna have a little adventure day in Oahu. We're gonna visit the MAKAPU'I Botanical Gardens. I hope I'm saying that right. The BYODO Temple, maybe go on a hike, visit the beach. But as you guys can see, it's kind of rainy right now. This is island bipolar weather. It could be raining and the next moment the sun could be out. But yeah, wish us luck. Hopefully the sun comes out. So let's start our day. Let's go. Alright y'all, so we just entered and parked at the Hulamuhia Botanical Gardens. It looks beautiful in here. There's like huge dramatic hills with clouds covering them. It looks crazy in here. It's very well kept. It feels very peaceful in here. So shh. They say the word Hulamuhia means tranquility and peacefulness. So yeah, it feels very zen in here, and yeah, everywhere you look there's like nice areas to take photos. So probably gonna walk through these gardens. So it's not really like a hike, it's a botanical garden, so you kind of just want to appreciate the landscaping and kind of like the plants and stuff. So yeah, gonna check out the gardens. Have you seen anything like this before?
No, but it kind of reminds me of like Jurassic Park with the misty mountains.
Yeah, with the misty mountains. I feel like I'm transported into somewhere else driving towards this area. But yeah, it kind of reminds me of like Avatar.
Yeah,
the blue Avatar. Yeah, but
it's beautiful.
All right, let's enjoy it.
I want to get a video of them.
We've been to a couple botanical gardens so far, but guys, to me by far, we've only been walking for like 10 minutes. It's probably one of the craziest botanical gardens I've walked through. I feel like anywhere you look, anywhere you stop, you can find like crazy exotic looking trees and plants to take photos with. But yeah, we're gonna keep walking. Alright, this is what happens in Hawaii, y'all. So we have to cut our walk short because it just started pouring. So see you guys in a sec. I'm about to get drenched, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna be honest guys, we were walking halfway, it started raining and we got lazy. So yeah, we basically drove through the whole botanical gardens. But yeah, this is the top area, I guess. So yeah, we're gonna take in more of these dramatic landscapes, views, and maybe snap a few more flicks. So yeah, MAKAPU'I Botanical Gardens. One of my favorite things we've done so far on this trip. Landscapes, insane. Alright, we made it to our next destination on this Hawaiian adventure. We're at the Valley of Temples, the BYODO Temple. Looks crazy. I feel like I'm in Japan. Just like the other spot, the landscape is super dramatic. You see the big rolling hills with the clouds behind us. And there's like a little lake here. Got the temple, of course. But yeah, the reason why it's called the Valley of Temples is because we're actually in a cemetery right now. It's a huge, beautiful cemetery, and they split it up into different religions. So I saw there was like a Roman Catholic church, there was like a Chinese section, and this is like a Japanese area. So they have this temple, and yeah, I'm not gonna show the cemetery because I want to keep it respectful, but I'm gonna snap some flicks and then on to our next location. You're supposed to ring the sacred bell before entering the temple, and me and Leia just did that. Rate our rings down below. Leia did a really soft one. Alright, took that negativity out of us with the bell. Now we're gonna enter the BYODO temple. This temple is like an Asian household because you gotta remove your shoes before entering. Alright, good morning y'all. So we're starting the day off with a scenic hike at the
MAKAPU'I Lighthouse Trail.
MAKAPU'I Lighthouse Trail, and yeah guys, it's about an hour and a half hike to the top. So when we get to the top, we should be able to see a nice scenic view of the Hawaii coastline and perhaps some whales for whale watching. So look, you can kind of see the ocean over there, but see you guys at the top. Alright, 10 minutes in. What we get. So apparently the mountains on this hike was 2 volcanoes erupted, and the lava flow is what caused this whole hike right here. So that's why sometimes you'll see these rocks are kind of blackened from the recent volcano eruption, y'all. Good morning everyone. This is a great way to start our day. This is our reward after getting to the top of the hike. It was about an hour and a half, but it was pretty steep incline. But these are the views, guys. Beautiful coastline with the waves crashing into the rocks of Oahu, and apparently up here too you guys could see humpback whales, so there's also a whale sighting opportunity for you guys out here. But aloha, this is life. Also there's a little lighthouse on the side too that you can see at the top of this hike. But yeah guys, aloha. Alright, so this whole drive to the hike was really scenic. We stopped on the side of the road to check out the blowhole. The blowhole is right behind me. Apparently it's like an area where the waves are really blue, razzy, kind of like Gatorade, and they crash onto the rocks. So let's check out the blowhole. Aloha everyone. So as you guys can see, we are in a jungle right now looking like Jurassic Park. We are chasing waterfalls, guys. And at the end of this hike we should be able to see a waterfall called the MANOA Falls. So let's go. Let's chase some waterfalls. So on this trail you'll find random cocks on the road just like this one. And another one right there. First sign of water. A little stream right here. See where it leads to. Guys, looks crazy out here. I feel like I'm in some type of Tarzan jungle. The Avatar jungle. Leia's about to swing on the vines over there. It's cool, huh?
Yeah, it's super lush and green and beautiful.
I feel like a pterodactyl's about to pop up at us at any moment right now. Did I do a accurate pterodactyl impression?
Yeah. Whoa.
So we reached the waterfall, guys. It's right over there. This is one of those hikes where the journey is just as good as the destination. Waterfall is beautiful, but this whole hike here was crazy. Yeah, guys, super rewarding hike. It was about 35 minutes up. A little bit strenuous. Right when you got near the waterfall, it started getting really steep, so we're kind of moist right now. But yeah, guys, that is the Manoa waterfall right there, y'all. Look at that. We're right at the base of the waterfall. You can hear the stream is super loud. It's pretty strong. It just rained earlier today, and it's been raining like this whole week, so the waterfall is super strong, y'all. Aloha and mahalo waterfalls. Yeah, you're good. It's real bamboo, guys. It's not a gimmick. Shake it. Oh. Hello, sir. Hello.
Okay, close the window. You don't want to make them mad.
Alright, good morning, everyone. So we're starting our day off with another hike today. We're at the WAIMEA Falls Botanical Gardens and hike. There's supposed to be a waterfall at the end of this hike, and this one allegedly we're able to go swimming. So yeah, it looks beautiful in here. We saw a couple wild animals, peacocks, ducks, geese, chicken. But yeah, it's beautiful in here. Gonna enjoy the sights and head to the waterfall. And this one's actually $25 to get in. This one you actually have to pay a fee to get in, so it's $25. But yeah, guys, look at this. So while we've been here, we've been eating taro everywhere, and I love taro because it is a cultural staple in Hawaii. Alright, y'all, so we reached the end of the hike. The Waimea Valley Falls is right behind us. It's actually very crowded in here. There's actually people swimming on this waterfall. It's not as high as the waterfall I went to yesterday at Manoa Falls, but it's wider and you can actually swim, so that's a plus. Yeah, you gotta wear a life vest, so we might grab one and take a dip right now. It actually feels very good in here. It's actually fresh rainwater, so yeah, it's really fresh. Yep. We thought it would be really cold, but it's actually not that bad. But yeah, guys, there's the Waimea waterfall. Alright, Leia doesn't want to go close to the waterfall, but I will. Let's get a close-up shot of the waterfall. I'm officially at the base of the waterfall. About to take a shower. Put on some shampoo, clean it up. Alright y'all, so we're able to catch another beautiful Honolulu sunset. But yeah, that is it for our top hikes in Hawaii. We're here for 7 days. This is just a little compilation we put together of our couple of our adventure days here, and there will be a part 2 for beaches, so stay tuned. Deuces y'all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.